Good morning, children. Welcome you all in our math session. Today we are going to start a new chapter. First, look these things. These are two scales. Okay. This scale is long. This scale is short. Here are two pencils. This pencil is long. This pencil is short. Okay. Look here. Here are two boxes. This box is heavy and this box is light. Okay. Same like this cell is heavy and this leaf is light. In these two pen, marker pen is thick and this pen is thin. Okay. Now look these thermocol strips. This thermocol is short and this thermocol is tall. Okay. Means these are the things and we have to measurize this size, weight, look, this weight, this size and also capacity of some things in the measurement. Okay. So today we are going to start new chapter, measurement. And measurement is the process of measuring size, weight or capacity of the things. Okay, children. Here we have to circle the longer fence. Okay, look here. This is one fence and this is another fence and we have to circle longer fence. Look, in from these two fence, this fence is longer. So we have to circle. Next, tick the taller tree. Okay, look here. Here are two trees, but we have to tick the taller tree. And you know, this is the taller tree. Okay, now here, measure the length of the following using matchstick. Means children, here is a pen and here is a pencil. We have to measure this pen with matchstick. Look here. Yes. From here to here, one matchstick and from here to here, 1/4 matchstick. Okay. And this pencil is smaller than the matchstick. Okay. Now here, tick the lighter thing and cross out the heavier thing in each option. In these two options, we have to tick the lighter thing. Okay. In here is a bun and here is a leaf and leaf is lighter. So we have to light and this bun is heavy. So we have to cross out. Here leaf is light and bun is heavy. So cross out. Now in this picture, here is a doll and this is a teddy bear. Okay. Doll is light. Okay. And teddy is heavy. So we have to cross out this. Okay. Now here we will see length. Look here. Length is a distance from one end of an object to the other end. Means like here. If we have to see the length of this scale, for that हमें इस पॉइंट से इस पॉइंट तक उसका डिस्टेंस देखना है. So this is the length. Okay. Here are some non-standard units of length. Non-standard units में here from this elbow to finger. This the length of the tip of the middle finger here. From here to the elbow is a cubit. Okay, children. This is a non-standard unit of length and we called it cubit. But here this is from elbow to tip of the middle finger. Understand? We called it cubit. Now look here. This is a foot span. Means the measure of the foot from the longest toe. From this toe to the heel is called foot span. Okay. Now look here. This is span. The length of the thumb to the little finger is a span. Okay. You have to write these things in the notebook. Look here. This underlined sentence you have to write in the notebook. Okay. Look here. The length of one step while walking is a pace. Means from this leg to this another leg while walking is called the pace. Look here children. This underlined sentence you have to write in the notebook. Okay. Length means length is the distance from one end of an object to the other end. And then non-standard units of length is this: cubit, foot span, span and the pace. Now from this, these are called the non-standard unit of the length. Understand? And from these non-standard units, we have to search the distance or measuring length of these things like desk, pencil box, bulletin board, class corridor and classroom, class window also. Okay. Desk with a span. डेस्क है वो ऐसे स्पैन से हमें लेंथ देखनी है. फिर पेंसिल बॉक्स लाइक लुक हियर. This is a pencil box. Okay. And pencil box with a span. Pencil box with a span. So look here. Your span. Okay. 1 and the length of this pencil is approximate 1 span. Okay. Now bulletin board. Then class corridor with paces. You have to write this length approximate. Okay. Your class window. Now you are not in the school. So your classroom foot span. You have to write approximate. Okay children. Now I hope you know measurement is a process of size, length and weight. Okay. And there are some non-standard units of the length. Okay children. Thank you.